Poor things. They don't like being locked up in the house any more than I do. Good morning. I had planned to work in here yesterday, but we had truly dreary wet weather, and there we go. There's our temperature in the greenhouse this morning. Isn't that lovely and ridiculous? So I've actually got the door open while I'm in here. It's a tiny bit warmer than I prefer. Anyway, I pulled these covers off a bit ago, and I am going to replant. The wicking bed is looking awesome. Very happy looking carrots and radishes. Most of the seeds came up, but some of the radishes have their true seeds, true leaves now. So they're looking pretty happy. I'll water them. But let me get set up over here to start some new seeds. I think I need to take this off too before I melt. Jeez Louise. I have hybrid smooth leaf spinach, seaside, and Sora round radishes. Two of my standard items that I love, love, love. So all I'm going to do is basically repeat what I've done here before, which is grow a few more radishes. And I think I'll do these olive radishes here. And I'll save the other tray for spinach. So let's get a radish or two in there. I need to water this good. I watered this probably it was earlier last week. I don't honestly remember which day. I didn't write it down, I know. But I definitely need to water this when I'm done. There we go. Those are all ready to go. Tamp it in a bit. And I think I'll do all spinach on that. I think we have plenty of other radishes coming up in the other bed. The wicking bed, so. I ripped out the spinach that were definitely killed by the frost the other day here. Didn't seem like it made any sense. They weren't going to come back. You could see they were really quite fried. So I decided that I would just get on with it. Sometimes I have a tendency to try and baby things when I should just say, okay, they're not going to do good. I should just move on. I'm trying to get over that. And I know that some of that has to do with, in the past, sometimes being kind of concerned about the price of seeds. But I have plenty of seeds. Keep in my pants pocket so they don't roast sitting on the counter. And I will go get some water. Things that I do like about the old trays that I have here, the whitish ones, is I can see how much water is sort of sitting in them. Can't with the black ones. I have to just sort of guess how much water's in there by how it's soaking in. This one I can actually see if I start to put too much water in by the way the colors change in the tub. Those are the ones I got from my mother-in-law. Fresh crab meat came in them. So, and I will water the... I guess I expect actually to be pretty wet. I really soaked it the other day. As soon as it overflows. Yep, there it goes. Yep, this one is still pretty wet. I sawed this the other day really well. Top water just a little bit to make sure that, since we're still hoping for 1 or 2 seeds to come up again. That one came up, but the one I planted over here did not. So I'm thinking maybe it got too dry. There we go. And that's fine. That's it. Now I have to decide. I think I'm going to plant out peas today. It rained all day yesterday, on again, off again. Managed to sneak outside with the critters for a little bit yesterday afternoon when it wasn't raining, and they were so excited. Poor things. They don't like being locked up in the house any more than I do.